On this adventure with Lukimyu, we leave our boat jobs behind and venture to the outer Great Barrier Reef for some much needed R&R to be greeted by some locals.
You know you make my day. Even when it's raining out, you're the sun that dries the clouds. And you ever lose your way, close your eyes and count to 10. Turn around, I'm there again for you. You are the...
This is our old anchor winch control, and I don't know if you can see, but as a practical demonstration, it's falling apart. And it leaves this red wax everywhere. So anyway, bought a nice pretty new one. However, the brilliant people have decided to change the plugs. So it's not plug and play, it's reinstall and play. So we're just trying to get this off here, but we need to take this off. It's not coming out. And we need bigger screws, Jamie. Really, none of them were doing anything, Jamie. I'm not quite sure why that was hanging up still. So we need to hold on to those screws there, bolts.
So we've unbolted it. We've lost a wire in the process, but not gone forever, it's just broken off. And we're debating whether we try and rewire this or actually thread the new one all the way down. So, Denise, what's your thoughts?
I think we cut it off here, rewire it to this. Can't we just do that?
Maybe.
It's the same 3 wires. If we strip that, not so squeezy, Jamie?
Bit tricky.
Beautiful new remote. Does it work? Thing of beauty. We are on our way to the outer reef, which we haven't been to for 4 years, I think. And we've left Stonehaven, which is the top of Hook Island. Nice southeasterly breeze of about 15 knots, although who knows with a non-working wind gauge again. Just going for a little jaunt today. Jamie's about to do coffee.
Cafe latte for Denise on Helm Station 1.
Most importantly, thank you, darling. I'm now holding on with my foot. So the one hand, one for the boat, one for yourself. It goes out of your 2 hands for the coffee, 1 foot for the boat.
Well, we made it to the outer reef. It's still a little bit choppy in here with that 15 to 20 knot winds. But as the tide drops, low tide, we should get a lot more protection. So this should be about as rough as it gets. As the wind died down and the water glassed off, the reef started to look absolutely fantastic.
Take a dip in the ocean, spend the day in the sunlight. Let's go back to our old ways, 'cause these ears, they are catching up. for so little time, and I don't see how we can waste any minute of it. I wanna run with you. I wanna make a move. Oh, I wanna run with you. I wanna run with you. I wanna make a move. Oh, I wanna run with you.
I'm not sure what that huge fish is, whether it's a GT or what these batfish are called. What a stunning morning. It is so quiet and peaceful out here. And we're going to start a 2-stroke engine.
Coffee has been interrupted because it's glassy, and we're going to go for a snorkel and see if we can see what's on the right hand side of the passage. We normally go left.
The passage to enter Hardy Lagoon is known as the waterfall, and as we approach low tide, you can see the majority of the water exits and enters through this gap. We are absolutely flying along in what I'm guessing is about a 4-knot current, and Denise is literally just flying on the surface.
Oh, wow.
Not sure if you can see that, but you get a lot of upwelling as well. Can you see that smooth patch where water's coming up from deep below? How was that? How was your flying?
Really good. It was like the free fall before you pull your parachute. Just, it's really cool.
And she's it.
With all that current, I was hoping to find a turtle. No turtles. Big fish, swimming fast, but no turtle.
Those fish are going crazy. It's like tuna.
A gourmet traveller recipe called banh mi goreng.
So back to Indonesia.
Back to Indonesia. Well, I don't know, banh mi is Vietnamese, but goreng is Indonesian, I don't know.
Lunch
Fried shallots.
a bit of crunch. Tastes fantastic.
We are heading out of Hook, Hardy, the Outer Reef Lagoon that we go to a lot. It is a beautiful day, absolutely wind still and glassy. So although we were going to stay another night, we're going to potter out at high tide, which is the easiest time to get out of the lagoon, and go around to Bait Reef where the stepping stones are to see if we can do, if this calm weather makes it super clear tomorrow for us to do a dive. The dive site is called Stepping Stones because it's a whole lot of bommies next to each other. I don't know who could step across them, but somebody probably could. And other than the flatfish and trevally, which we've already seen. I don't know what we're going to see, Tammy.
The next adventure with Lukimyu,
We explore Lindeman Island
just owned by Club Med, completely abandoned for the last 10 years.
and we celebrate Australia Day, Lukimyu style.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends.